Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Stainless Steel SpaBrite Incandescent Light for Swimming Pool 12-volt 100-watt 100-foot cord. Pentair SpaBrite lights come with either triple chrome-plated brass or stainless steel or face rings. The lamp is halogen light and is perfect for spas and places where there is no available space for a full-size light. This light delivers superior light intensity and distribution, with no hot spots or glare, and offer pool owners long-lasting durability. It installs in small stainless steel or plastic Pentair niches. Features: Prismatic tempered glass lens, easy service stainless steel clamp, halogen 12-volt 100-watt 100-foot cord lamp, gold diffused low water cutoff, easy to service. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.